How to insert video in PowerPoint. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to easily insert your video on your PowerPoint application. So first thing, simply head over to search bar and just PowerPoint presentation, and once you open it you'll be heading over to this page. As you can see, I have a draft file. So to insert a video, all you have to do is inside a PowerPoint, just click on this insert tab at the top section of your screen, and once you click on insert, just head over to top right section. Over here you'll see the option called video, and just click on it. You'll get two different options: one to enter your online video, if you have a copied link from like YouTube or other social media videos, just click on this and you have to make sure you copy the link from over here. And you can also simply add a YouTube video by searching it and inserting it. So if you want to add a local video from your PC, just click on this second option and just browse to your device directory. So I have this sample video over here, just click on insert and it will be successfully inserted on your PowerPoint. As you can see, for some reason my PowerPoint is not accepting it. It may be outdated, so I have to update it. So that is exactly how you can easily insert your PowerPoint videos on PowerPoint. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.